Yes, friend, I'm going to disturb him, but he's not opening the door. Let's see. Okay, let's move alone. Okay, this way we can move. This is the lobby for there. This is the lobby area. We can go through this way. Yes. See, you can see this is the 12 number floor and deck 12 floor. Okay. Here lift is provided. We can go. Any of the lift you can use. Okay, let me press this one. Okay, this side opened. Okay. Wow, beautiful. Otherwise, okay, let it be. We can press this side. Yeah. Oh, this side also is opening, you see. Remove straight board. Okay. See, very nice view. Yes.
ये नंबर्स है क्या कोई 12 कल का देखना था 52 54 है खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा था वो
See, friends, the air has been changed. Wow, beautiful. Yes, let's go to the 15th floor. You can see all the floor details is provided here. Second floor, what is there? Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 16. So we arrived at 15th floor. Okay, now we'll go out. Yes. Okay, this way you can move. This way also pool bar. You can see from here. This is swimming pool inside there. One big for adults and one for kids. This is a pool bar area, but now it is not open. Okay, 7 o'clock it will get open. That time you can miss it. Okay. Now we'll go to the deck area, open area. Okay, this way you can move. Yeah, this way you can go. The ultimate family suite is there. Okay, this way you can move. Yes, temperature monitoring, everything is provided here. You can monitor. You can see a very beautiful. Wow. See, you can see. Hello, Miss Red. The state board at 15. We can go. It's a very nice area. See, suit club. This is suit club. This is restroom. Okay, we can go these areas. Okay. This is the outside. You can move. Wow. Now you can see the beautiful view. We can see go through the first swimming pool area, then we'll go to the children's club area. Okay, see how beautiful is the boat. After 5 minutes I'll do video. After that I will again one more video I'll do. Okay, you can see how beautiful is there. Here sitting place also arrangement is provided. You can sit here and you can have look and pool bar. You can enjoy the pool bar also. That enjoy people. You can take any wine, beer or whatever you may want. Yeah, see, look how beautiful is the. I'll show you. Yeah, now you can see very nicely. Beautiful place, beautiful sheep. The cruise is so much nice that you will never forget about this place. Once you come, again and again you will feel to come here. Okay guys, I'll stop this video now. Again one more video I'll do. Okay.